We're sure you've heard of Spotify, but if you haven't, it's important to know that it's one of the most popular music platforms available today. You can search and listen to any song you want for free. Imagine how wonderful life would be if you could earn money simply by listening to music on Spotify. Life would be so much easier and better, don't you think? If you agree with me, then you're going to enjoy our video for today because we're going to show you how to make money simply by listening to music. Don't worry if you can't participate. It's actually completely free and open to everyone from all over the world. You can earn $200, $400, all the way to $2,500. Isn't that insane? You may repeat today's strategy, which means you can make money over and over again, which is what we enjoy. You won't need a social media following or to recommend others, so you know this method is simple and straightforward. All you need to do to get started is a phone, laptop, computer, tablet, or any combination of those, as well as a stable internet connection. I'm going to be dropping bonus tips and tricks throughout today's video, and you definitely don't want to miss any of them, so make sure you watch the entire video from beginning to end so that you don't become confused about today's technique and so that you don't miss any crucial information, since if you do miss important details, chances are you won't get the results you want. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now open up open.spotify.com, and this is the Spotify app or website once it's open in your browser. Fun fact, this is actually a mobile phone application, mainly for mobile phones, but you can also install it as a computer app or open up in your browser as well. This is really great, so if you have an iPhone or an Android, then just open that in the App Store or Google Play Store and look for Spotify. Download that and open it up on your computer, and then download it on your computer as well. Either the computer or your mobile phone is good, and then you should have it already. Now, right here, if we already have it in our laptop or just like opened in our browsers, now let me show you here. Right now, you must have an account to begin with. So if you have no account yet, we need you to create one. Before you proceed with the rest of the steps for today's video to sign up, just click on sign up right here. You will also find that on the phone app. And when you click on it, you should see this next. So fill up all the details being asked because that's a need. And you're going to give your email address twice. You're going to create a password, and you're going to give yourself a name, your date of birth, your gender, and one of the last things you're going to do is that you're going to agree to the terms. Confirm you're not a robot, and then double check if you were able to complete everything correctly, and once you've made sure it's all correct and complete, you can hit on sign up. And there you have it, your very own Spotify account. It's that easy. So this is how your Spotify account should look like inside, and obviously, you'll see all of the music that you can listen to, and this isn't even all of it. You can look up what music you want to listen to and basically find it on here, no matter how old or how new on what you're looking for. That's how vast Spotify is, so obviously, if you want to listen to something, then all you have to do is click on whatever you want to play or look it up in the search bar. If you see what you want to play, click on it, and just like that, it's going to play your song. So, no complications. It's just one click, and then you can listen. That is all the things that you need to do. There are different categories as well, so if you want to listen to a lot of songs already without having to choose one by one, then you can play it by playlist or by category, or whatever you want to call it, but that's what it is. So if you want to listen to sad songs, there's a playlist for that. And if you want to listen to happy songs, there's also a playlist for that. If you want to listen to love songs, to rap songs, to 2000 songs, literally anything, there's a playlist for everything that you can possibly think of right now. Those playlists are already there, and they're for free. So for Spotify, Just like I said, you can actually create your own playlists if you want. All you need to do is click on this Create Playlist button, and then you can name that playlist according to how you wanted to name it, and then you're gonna add all your favorite songs or thumb songs that you want to listen to, or maybe your own genre of choice. So you have your personal playlists that you can actually choose to share and keep public. Or you can keep it to yourself. Well, it's really up to you since it's your account and you have full control. Now, these playlists are genres or categories or songs in general. This is what's gonna be making you money or our money. Now, what we're about to show you is super new. But basically, you're gonna be a music curator in the next website that we're gonna be revealing, and a music curator is someone who listens to music, listens to playlists, and gets paid for it. That's literally a music curator's job, and that's exactly what we're gonna become today. Before we get to continue, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button down below, and click the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. Now, let's continue. Now, we want you to go to the website that's actually going to be paying, and to directly get to the webpage, let's go cut to the chase and type in musicgateway.com/get-paid-to-listen-to-music and hit enter on that, and then you're going to be taken to here. And as you can see, music curators get paid to listen to music. Monetizing your insulin is a big business. There are many platforms that exist that help you to monetize your influence. However, these platforms do not rewire your submission rate and often leave you chained to your desk reviewing music for hours on end. Wouldn't it be easier to have a tool that enables you to easily review music on the go? Get rewarded for your volume of submissions and make your life easier? If you manage your radio station or playlist, then you're already reviewing music every day of the week. Anyway, so why not get paid for it? Curators can earn up to £800 a month using our submission tool. Imagine having a supplementary income alongside your day job. Nice, right? Now, keep in mind that £800 in US dollars is about 1,000. So that's actually very huge. You can earn regular money through submissions. It actually takes hours to review and select music for your radio station, podcast, social media platform, blog, or streaming playlist. Our easy-to-use tool helps to streamline the submission process, enabling you to save time and earn regular income simply by promoting and using our submission tool. So this website basically does everything for you and makes whatever your part of the job is even 10 times easier. So click on Apply Now and you're going to be taken to right here, where you're going to fill up all of these. And keep in mind that if they ask you how many submissions you can receive, just type in 1,000, because that's what's going to make you the most money. Once you fill that up, click on Submit, and now it's time to find the best music to make us the most money. So going back to Spotify, you want to focus on pop music because that's relevant to Music Gateway. And now you're going to want to create a new playlist, a completely brand new one, and then add as much pop music as you can. And name that playlist something like pop genre. And just like that, there's your playlist. And you're also going to continue adding the most famous or the most recent songs. And so this playlist is actually equal to one submission. So that's the money right there and right away. Now make at least more than 300 and you'll see your thousands of dollars just flowing in. Get the link of your playlist, submit it to Music Gateway, and it's just like that. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone and see you in our next video.